How to delete Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to delete your Instagram account, what you're simply going to do is first open Instagram on your device. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile's logo. Click on it, and then in the top right, you'll see the three bar option. Go there. Now it'll take you to this page where there are many options. Just go to the top of the page and go to the option which says Account Center. Now scroll a bit down and in Account Settings, you can see an option which says Personal Details. Click on it. And then go to the option which says Account Ownership and Control, which is over here. Now go to Deactivation or Deletion. And then choose the account you want to delete. Now, you'll be presented with two options. You can either deactivate your account or delete your account. So, after going to delete account, you have to go to continue and then your Instagram account will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video and see you in the next one.